In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get insurance for cleaning business. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get insurance for your cleaning business. Insurance is crucial for any business, including a cleaning service. It can protect you from financial losses due to accidents, injuries, property damage, and legal liabilities. And in this video, I'm gonna go over the main types of insurance that you should consider. So starting off with general liability insurance. This one covers bodily injury or property damage caused by your business operations. It protects you against lawsuits arising from accidents or negligence. So it's a general application. Next, you have commercial property insurance. This protects your business property, including equipment, supplies, inventory, against loss or damage due to fire, theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. Next, you have workers' compensation insurance. This one covers the medical expenses, lost wages, and rehabilitation costs for employees injured on the job. It is mandated in many jurisdictions, so keep that in mind. Next, you have professional liability insurance for errors and omissions, which protects you against claims of negligence, mistakes, or omissions in your professional services. And to finish it off, you have commercial auto insurance. This covers accidents involved in your business vehicles, including bodily injury, property damage, and liability. So to keep it simple, you should always look for insurances that are mandated in jurisdictions. So the main example being workers' compensation insurance, and afterwards you should look into general liability and other costs that you believe are going to be best suited for your business. You can use a lot of these online services like Next Insurance, Geico, and Thimble to compare quotes. So you will be able to include everything here and you will be able to get the best quote for you. Just make sure that you look for whatever your business is here and you will be able to proceed and get this process done. So just follow along and you will be good to go to find the best insurance for your business. I hope I was able to help you on how to get insurance for cleaning business. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.